Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can instantly change your facial expression in a photo by using the CapCut mobile. So here in CapCut, there is a feature where you can change your facial expression easily, but this can only be used if you add a photo. It cannot be used for a video. So here, just add your photo to CapCut and then click on the photo, go to style, then swipe through the category and find this expressions tab. Click on that. Okay, so here there are 5 expressions that you can choose: sad, dimple laugh, chuckle smile, poker face, and smile face. So let's try the sad expression. So the current expression is flat. Okay, this is the sad. Let's start the dimple laugh and the chuckle smile, poker face, and the last one is smile face. So you can just choose which one that you think fits your photo the best. I'm going to use the dimple laugh, this one. Just click on a check icon and you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.